Howdy, everyone. I'm Parker, one of your SIs for this course, and today we're going to be looking at two separate homework problems that you might have struggled with. So, number one, we're looking at it helps us identify the part, the whole, and the percentage of a word problem. So, I know that may be difficult. So, John took his family to a fancy restaurant and left an 18% tip, which came out to $56. How much was John's initial bill? So in this problem, we're saying he left 18% tip, which was $56. So the easiest thing to recognize is the 18% tip, right? So we're going to have 18 over 100 because 18 is our part, and then 100 is our whole. And then we're looking for our whole for our total bill. So we have $56. Since $56 was our 18% tip, it's going to be the part to this problem. So that's why we're going to put it on the top. And now we're looking for X, our whole. So now that we have this equation set up, we can just go ahead and cross multiply and do 18X is equal to 56 times 100. So I'm just going to add 2 zeros. Now we can grab our calculator. I recommend grabbing the TI-30 XS. It's a great calculator for this class. And we're going to go ahead and divide by 18 on each side. We get X is equal to, well, we just have 5,600 divided by 18. That comes out to be $311.11. So that's one way of completing this problem. Our next problem is problem number 5 on the homework packet. So this one says, would you rather use a 70% discount or a 40% discount, then 20%, then 10% discount? So on this problem, it doesn't give us any numbers that we are discounting. So we can make up a number. So say we have a item that costs $200. We can go ahead and kind of compare the two, the 70% off of 200 or the 40, 20, and 10% off of the $200. So if we do $200, and again, this is just a number that I made up. You could use any number. I use 200 because it's a nice whole big even number. So $200 times 0.3. Because if it's discounted 70%, that makes our price 30% of the original. And so 30% into decimal is just 0.3. So 200 times 0.3, again, you can use your calculator, is $60. Right? So that's our 70%. So now we're going to compare it to our 40%, then 20, then 10% discount. So we can use the same $200 times, well, now we're going to use 40%. So you're left with 60% of the original price. So I'm going to do times 0.6, which is equal to $120. Now we have to move on to the 20% discount. So we're going to do the 120 times 0.8 because we're left with 80% of our original price. This is going to be equal to $96, right? And then last we have the 10% discount. So $96 times 0.9 is equal to $86.4. So in this case, we can see that just going ahead and using the 70% discounts leaves us with a lower price. So we save ourselves approximately $26. Seems like a steal.